Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem eafc 24 codes. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to the eafc website, and from here you just want to make sure you are logged into your account. Now if you're not sure how to do that, you can go in the top right corner and you should be able to see your profile icon up here. When you can see this, we're going to go ahead and click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and choose account settings. Now when we click on that, we'll be brought to this about me section. However, we just want to go down to where it says redeem product code. And then from here, we can enter in our product code to redeem your game or in-game content. So they show us exactly how to find our code here. If we received an email, we can just check the confirmation email and we should find a product code that looks something like this image here. Or if you've bought a physical game that looks like this, when you open it up, the manual inside should have your code on the left hand side. So what you can do from there is take your code and put it in here. And it also says here that it should be a string of letters and numbers. So if yours is just numbers or just letters, it's probably the wrong thing. It should look something like this. So we can just input that in here, and then when we click next, that will automatically be credited to our account. So for example, if you're redeeming some FIFA points, when you actually redeem them, you can then head over to your game, and as long as you are logged into the same account as you redeemed it in, you'll then have those FIFA points added into your game, and you can spend them exactly how you like. So that's how you can redeem eafc 24 codes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.